To another episode of Cooking with Lyssa. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a jerk barbecue meatloaf. So for this recipe, you will need about a pound of ground beef. I think I got a little more than a pound. You will need a pound of pork sausage, some kind of breakfast sausage. You're gonna need some of this jerk seasoning. I know they got this at a lot of different grocery stores. Any kind of barbecue sauce. I got that at the dollar store. Yellow mustard. You need this. 2 eggs. Red onion. Bell pepper. And I'm using croutons, but you can use crackers or some kind of old bread. All right. So for the first step, I'm gonna take my croutons, and I think these will be good because it's got that extra little seasoning on it. But again, you can use crackers or whatever. And you're gonna need about a cup. Probably do a cup and a half of croutons. I think that's about a cup and a half. Or a cup and a half worth of crackers. So we take that. Out the bag. And then I just break it up. I want it to be kind of fine because I don't want some big old chunks of bread in my meatloaf. All right, that's good enough. So for the next step, off camera, I went ahead and cut up that whole small bell pepper and about half a cup of red onion. And you can chop it up as big or as small as you like. I'm gonna take my 2 eggs and crack that in my bowl. You wanna make sure you got a bowl that's big enough for you to mix everything up. Then I'm gonna take that them croutons. And I'm gonna put these first because it'll be easier for me to mix the meat with if this is wet already. Set up. And to this, I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of water. Mix that up. All right, and that bread is gonna soak up all of that. But again, whatever bread you use, make sure it's old and dry, please. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my onions and stuff. Add my ground beef. And then I'm gonna add in a whole tube of breakfast sausage. All right. So we got like a 2-to-1 bread to meat mixture. I don't like my meatloaf to be extra eggy or whatever the hell. But if you like, you can add more or less of any of these ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add this yellow mustard. If I can get it open. Oh, it's not open. And I am gonna put about a 1/4 cup of mustard in this. I'm not measuring, but I think, okay, that's about a 1/4 cup to me. And then I'm also gonna take this jerk seasoning, and this is like a paste. I know, again, they sell this at Walmart and Kroger and stuff. You can probably order it online if you can't find it. But yeah, I'll put the name of it in the description bar. And I'm gonna put like, just a spoonful. Now the last thing that I am going to add to this is some adobo seasoning. If you don't have adobo seasoning, you can just use seasoning salt. It doesn't matter. But I'm just gonna season this to the taste. You know what? I lied. I'm also gonna put a little bit of black pepper in here. All right. So now we're just gonna mix all this up. Make sure you get it mixed in real good. All right, I think that my meatloaf is nice and incorporated. So, all right, now we're gonna move on to the next step. So for the next step, you wanna get an aluminum pan or some kind of pan that you can put on the grill. And we're gonna go ahead and form this meatloaf. So just plop all that meat inside like that. And move it over to the center. And really, you can form it however you want, but I want to like cute little mound here. I want it to be even, you know. So just form it. All right, I think that's nice. Yes. Okay. But anyway, yeah, you can form this however you like. Then I have some dry jerk seasoning. You can again buy jerk seasoning really anywhere. This ain't no special brand or anything. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on top just for some added flavor. And that's that. Let's move on to the next step. So I'm not a grill master or nothing, but I just put some coals on my little barbecue pit, and then I put some igniting fluid on it, and I put some fire on it. Now, I don't know if you can see the fire, but it is lit. I'm just gonna let the fire burn like this until most of my coals are gray, and then I'm gonna come back and show you. As you can see, all of my coals are gray now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my meatloaf on the grill, and then I'm gonna come back and show you my meatloaf right in the center of my grill. As you can see, it then already started cooking. And so now I'm just go ahead and cover it. And you want to make sure when you cover it that you open those little holes so that the air can come out. And I'm gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you next step. Real quick for our glaze, I'm gonna take my jerk little spread marinade stuff, and I'm gonna put about I'd say it's about a tablespoon and a half of the jerk marinade. And then I'm gonna take about a cup of barbecue sauce. And this barbecue sauce is not as sweet as I would like it to be, so I'm gonna take some honey, and this is optional obviously, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of honey in there. If you already got sweet barbecue sauce, then you probably don't need to do this. I'm gonna mix that up. Alright. And this is our marinade, y'all. Alright, let's move on to the next step. It's been about 20 minutes that my meatloaf has been cooking. I'm gonna take that sauce, and I'm just gonna put some of it on my meatloaf. Just a little bit. And it smells so good, y'all. But anyway, I'm just gonna spread that on. I'm gonna put a little more. Spread that on like that. And then I'm gonna cover it and cook it for about 20 more minutes. About 15 minutes since the last time I told you to cover this. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little more barbecue sauce on here and try to get it on them edges. You can be generous with this. Alright, y'all. So, got plenty of barbecue sauce on here now. I'm gonna cover this up, and I'm just gonna bake this for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 more minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the end result. Alright, y'all, so I've been cooking this for about an hour total, and I just wanted to tell y'all to make sure that you are basting this as you go or whatever, as it cooks. As you can see, the sauce then got thicker. But yeah, so just, you know, get that sauce on there, and I'm gonna cook this for about 20 or 30 more minutes. 20 or 30 more minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the end result. So this is the end result of my jerk barbecue meatloaf. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it for y'all. As you can see, it's extra moist. That's good, y'all. And it's not too spicy. Everything is right, y'all. But anyway, if you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Cooking with Lyssa.